basically bought two tokens before I went to sleep, one of them, and an hour ago or so, the second one. Last three trades that I gave you yesterday, the three tokens, close them. It's very small loss on one, two of them profit. This one right here, I gave you three trades, all of them hit take profit. So basically, this is how it looked like, and I'll show you what I think will happen in a little bit. So look at this. I always close on a pump, even when we are dumping. It's a very complicated strategy. I've calculated the time that it takes for different moves on different time frames to have. It's a very interesting concept. But as you can see, since the 5th of March, everything is tracked, and my profit is, I don't know why it doesn't show, but I'll quickly update the Telegram and maybe it will then. In the meantime, no financial advice, show you a few things. FWOG is the first, okay, here it is. 1,097 wins, 279 losses since the 5th of March. I got updated, but around over 80% win rate. Losses, wins are pretty much the same. We only had like 5 very bad losses, but we also had 4 or 5 wins over 100% on scalps. Normally we target 5, 7, 10, 20, 30% moves, and we move in and out. We actually outperform most of the people. You know, they're not just getting lucky or shilling you tokens and making money on your behalf. We're a very small group, and you can join. Link in the description down below. It's pretty cheap, even cheaper if you pay crypto. So have a course, which I won't really talk about, but it's very cheap in my opinion. Try to make everything very accessible. So FWOG, why did I buy it? So I had it on my watch list since 3 a.m. So with a friend, I had a friend come over, had some nice conversations, and then my wife was already sleeping. We were watching Star Wars, and at 3 a.m. I think I made the watch list for today. One of the tokens that was made it on the watch list, and it's because of the momentum on the 4 hour. Obviously want more things, but it's just the momentum on the 4 hour. It's just the bare minimum was FWOG. So I had an alert for it, and it ran up really a lot. So it didn't hit my alerts while I was asleep, but it dumped a lot. When I woke up and I bought at a pretty good price, 14.59. So I basically bought on this pump, which is, if you draw a trend line right here, this is the break of the trend line on the 50-minute chart. So this is actually a ridiculously good trade. It will be a 12% trade. I'm very happy about it, or something similar, probably 13-14% trade. People made that in a year in their returns, and my strategy is very high win rates, so I'm very happy with that. On the 15-minute chart, you can see momentum going upwards. I'm not really looking at this or the regular things that people do. I can see momentum. I've done my own channel analysis of doing everything else, but I just want to show you some basic stuff that I can see right here. I can see momentum going up from here to here on the 4 hour, which is very important, and it's just retracing from the EMA and the VWAP. On the 1 hour, you always want EMA above the VWAP. We had it here, and a lot of people will miss it, that we don't have it here, yes, but we still need this retest. We still need this retest here or here. But you know what? I'll actually take profit on this one. We'll take profit on this one, and I'll try to find a new trade, because we're already up. And it's gonna retrace now. So I'm taking profit. I've got Google Chrome on my left monitor, waiting for wallet to sign in. Let me refresh. I'll show you my other trade as well, and we can look for a trade on our own. My wife is watching me here. So taking profit just like that. Profit. early. Yeah, I got a little got sketched out, so I kind of overlooked it because I was taking this trade from my bet. It was a good trade, but not good enough. So I'm gonna get out while I'm in profit. And I'm gonna wait for a better trade. So we'll try to find a trade on our own, but I'll tell you more about Neiro then. So Neiro, everyone's talking about Neiro. We have the on-chain analysis, we have everything. You can see momentum going up. On the 1 hour, you can see our targets. And I bought in here, then I bought in here. It ran all the way close to my target when I was asleep. But it basically hit it like a few it's ridiculous how close we were. 16.8 is the target. It should be 16.8. Yeah, 16.8, come on. And we went to 16.74 or something. So that was super close. Someone just front ran me. Should have my alert. Whatever, it was gonna be a nice win, but it still will. So this is a very easy win for me. A lot of people are talking about Neiro meta with Doge owner, I don't know, fake meta, fake Neiro, I don't know. No one cares. The on-chain data is here, wells are going in, momentum is super bullish. So I want to go over things that I have here saved on the watch list. See some of them are still valid, and we'll set up alerts to potentially buy something. So actually Ducky is looking, look at this momentum. But it's kind of ran its course, the 1 hour. Can have a retrace. Let's see mother. Mother is nice. 1 hour. The only issue is that you can't really make this bigger, but it's really convenient to just use this, to just use the DXC screener app, because it syncs everything with your phone. So I'm gonna set up an alert to buy if it dips, like so. And because I can see we had another one, we'll go ahead and delete the other one. Let's see, Retardio. Some of these meme coins, man, you can hardly make a video on them because they have offensive names. 1 hour is not good. I made the best movie in the world, but I'm getting a brain freeze from it. Let me sip a little bit more. It's got mango, it's got bananas, it's got nice apple fiber. I just love smoothies. Okay, so getting my vitamins in, especially if you get them from the farmers market. Landwolf is good. So 4 a.m. we had a move that I want to see. I don't know, with these trades really isn't worth it. Waffles, I remember was really nice running while I was asleep, but now it's too late. Bazinga was almost good, that's what I remember, but now it's bad. I'm gonna remove it. Just doesn't have the momentum. So as you can see, day traders' job, what I do to provide the signals to get the trades, it's a lot of boring work just to add things, but I love it because it's my main gig. That's what I do, and I do it from my phone because you have the same app on your phone. 1 hour is not good. We'll go to orc. purple. First pin comment in the description down below is the signals group if you're wondering. Okay, so this might be a good trade. Okay, this might actually be a good trade. So that's a 3%. If it falls at least 3 more, because it's a little bit more than, okay, let's say 1, 2, 3, and 1 more. So if it goes below here, we're buying purple Pepe. Let's see time. Yeah, this has the momentum. Not on the 4 hour. 4 hour is terrible. I love you. What is this? By the way, I should do live streams for the daily records. Okay, so this dump is actually okay. So that's interesting. So that's almost okay. So 17. What is this time? 6. I want to see this. I'm probably gonna buy this. Let me see. 6 to 7. Come on. Alright, that's a tough one. And it has the momentum. I'll skip it. If it's not good enough, it's kind of good. It's very smart to just skip. I've already checked this too. So go to top G. FWOG is pumping. But I made the right decision. You should never slap your wrist if something you sold continues pumping, but it was the right call to just sell and get out. If it was the right call, it was the right call. Okay, I think I'll continue to look for trades off camera because that might be boring for you. I don't know. Or actually, I think this is more valuable than anything else you can watch. Because this is how you actually trade. FWOG looked pumping. It's gonna go to my target. It was a good trade, but it was half good, and I was in profit. So I want to just get the perfect setups. It's not worth it. Because if I just spend like 20-30 minutes longer, I'll find a good trade. I shouldn't be lazy. I also have a responsibility to you guys to find good trades. Mind coin. No. Ooh, might be interesting. Habibi, Minchi, Neiro, Billy. Billy's Billy dead. What happened with Billy? So this has momentum. All the whales are, yeah, but this was a dead cat bounce. In terms of volume, Ducky, we sold that. Brainlet. The token names are hilarious. So this is probably, no, yeah, not good enough. I wish it was. It almost is good. It's almost good, but it isn't. Retario, we checked that. Mother, we checked. Sigma, checked earlier in the morning. Roar. I didn't check. So what we'll do is we'll do this, pause this, go here for our, no, crying cat. I've actually added to my watch list, but I won't be buying it. In 2-3 hours it might be good. We check this one, Dark Mega. How is this token still alive? Our Bazinga selfie coin. I remember checking selfie coin a few hours ago. So look, there's a lot of options of what you could have bought, what you should have bought, what you might be buying, and so on and so forth. Alright, Eddie Waffles, man. And I have 2 or 3 trading strategies. If I don't find anything, I can always go back and just choose another strategy. But I can just use the other strategy to find a quick trade. So you can see me taking the trade live. Leaf. My other strategy, I gotta change the target more frequently every 1 hour. Here I'll give you a spoiler, it's in 36 hours. Donald Trump. Glorp. We closed Glorp in profit yesterday. Look at this. From 14 to 13, that's insane. Harambe. What's going on, Harambe? Harambe's good. Harambe's really good. So, I'll actually go for it. I'll go for it. 1534. So that's 0. That's 6%. I need like a 1% dump more to go into Harambe. And I won't really change strategies, I think, because in an hour or so, some of these alerts will hit, and I can just enter on any of them. So this is almost good. It's really important this pump right here is healthy. Alternative is, yeah, but it's not good enough. Zach Morris. I think I'll add Pepe to the 16th pairs watch list. Zach Morris. Traded him a lot. It's not good enough. Any nom 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 nom. Is not what it used to be. Duco, Count Duco. Finally, Bill, and I think I'll chill. Look at the rhymes on that. So this is super bullish. Adding it. I'm going to chart, going to the 1 hour. Ah, come on, this is not healthy. This is not healthy. We can't find one trade, come on. Cheetah is not good. Mongy was been trading us nice. Yep, this is bullish. So we'll go ahead and check the 1 hour. Okay, this is promising. So 16, 17, who knows how much AM. So I can go for this. Okay, this is the trade. Found it live. Mongy, let's go. Buying some Mongy. And while it's gonna process, I'm also gonna post it here. Wallet sign. I'm instantly buying and tweeting about it. So I haven't even bought it yet. It says waiting for wallet to sign. Sometimes this takes, I don't know, more than it should. I'm gonna refresh that. So I haven't even bought yet, and I'm tweeting. Not tweeting. Telling my group. Come on, load. Why is Jupiter so slow? This is insanely bad. It's not just bad, it's bad. Okay, so we bought Mongy, that's good. And I think I'll have this target, 37.5. So open it up here to show you a little bit more about the trades. These are different backtests that I've done on Mongy. So we're obviously bullish for our, this is a really good retest. So here is where I would have been interested in buying basically, right? So here is the dump. So at any point, at least a 7% dump. So this is where I would have started the trade, around here, let's say to here, right? But it's even better trade. So from here to here, we have 15 hours. So in 21 hours, I've set up an alert. In 21 hours, I gotta change my target. And it's just the way it is. It's just the way it is. Things will never be the same, but in around this price. So I should be looking at 37, I don't know, 5, 4, 5 maybe, I don't know. Man, this is a really good trade. This is actually one of the best trades for a while. So let me see that. So we've got this trade. It's already up a little bit. Neiro is not acting up. It's not making me happy. So this can be a 15% trade, which is super healthy for the balance. By the way, it sometimes doesn't even register all the trades here. Okay. And I could have bought for more. Like normally I buy 0.4% of the liquidity. If you're wondering how much I buy. And if it dumps more, I might buy more. Depends on which strategy I'm trading. This is the slower input one. So love you with all my heart. See you next video.